Join us in Midland, Ontario for the sweetest day of the year. What's sweeter than the world's largest all-day festival dedicated to the butter tart? Over 150,000 butter tarts filled with ooey gooey goodness. The festival begins with Ode to the Butter Tart. The Midland Pipes and Drums Band parades last year's winner through downtown with befitting pomp and circumstance. This contest crowns Ontario's best butter tart. Contestants Ontario-wide put their secret recipes on the line. A blind judging system discourages extra sweetening. These judges aren't swayed. Poised and professional, they separate the filling from the crust. The drama unfolds in the Midland Cultural Center, where bakers compete for butter tart supremacy. Who will taste sweet victory? On the street, the air is thick with sugar and anticipation. Thousands of people stream into downtown. Over 50 butter tart vendors line the streets, selling their tarts to eager customers. Dozens more vendors and artisans sell jewelry, unique decor, eclectic gifts, and much more. Food trucks serve up hot, delicious food all day. Raise an ice-cold brew in our beer garden. Groove to live music. Raisins, yes or no? No matter your preference, your sweet tooth will be satisfied, and possibly aching too.